Hello, childrens. Greetings to you all. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Today we are going to take class 9 standard mathematics graph session. In last video session we saw about the same graph, but first and second sum we have completed in second division. Now we are going to do the other sums. Today I am not going to show the graph paper. I am just going to do the tabular column part alone. You are supposed to finish the graph after plotting the points and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, everybody must finish the graph portion. Exercise 3.10, 3.10, you have to pronounce it as 3.10. Here second Roman letter we have completed page number 124, page number 124. Second sum, first question and second question we have completed already. Third question is given in the fraction sum. So we'll try to do how it is done. The question is x by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 1, and another equation is x by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. First we'll see first equation, then we'll do the second equation. First we'll see about this thing, how it came. 2 and 4, I have already taught you about how to do LCM part. So 2 and 4 I have multiplied and written as 8. See whether how many times this 2 is multiplied with 8. 2 is multiplied with 4 times. That 4 should be multiplied with the numerator. 4 into x is 4x. Same way you have to check with 4 how many times it's multiplied for 8. 4 2s are 8. That 2 is multiplied with y and written as 2y is equal to 1. After that we have to do cross multiplication. So if I multiply with 1, what will I get with variable? Same thing I will get. So I have written 4x plus 2y is equal to 8 into 1 is 8. Then this all things can be divisible by 2. So I have divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 2x. If I divide with 2 here, I will get y alone. If I divide with 2, 2 4s are 8. So we need an equation as y is equal to. So I have changed and wrote y is equal to 4. This 2x alone I took from here to left hand side to the right hand side. So it is minus 2x. After that our usual procedure, tabular column format. X is equal to, we can assume any values. So I have assumed x equal to minus 2, 0, 1 and 2. So if I substitute minus 2, y is 4 minus 2x, right? So I have to write 4 minus 2x. I will substitute here itself in the column itself. So 4 minus into, instead of x I have written minus 2. This minus 2 I have written. Then minus into minus becomes plus. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Same way I am going to substitute for 0. 4 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Same way 4 minus 2 into 1. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2, instead of x I have substituted 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then you have to take and write, plot the points minus 2 comma 8, 0 comma 4, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 0. Then here we have to see for the next thing. Next equation also same way, 2 into 4 8, 2 4 times 8. So 4 into numerator is 4x. Here 4 2 times y, 2 into y is 2y is equal to 2. If I cross multiply, this same thing will be visible here, 4x plus 2y. 8 into 2 becomes 16. If I can divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 6, 2x, 2. If I divide 2 here, I'll get y. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I need an equation as y is equal to something. So I have taken as y is equal to 8 plus 2x, if it comes this side, minus 2x. Then tabular column procedure. So I took a different value. I can take any value, 0, 1, 2, minus. So this is our wish only. Then y is equal to 8 minus 2x. So 8 minus 2x I have written. 8 minus 2, instead of x I am going to substitute 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Same way 8 minus 2 into 1. Instead of x I have substituted 1. Then 8 minus 2 ones are 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Here 8 minus 2x, instead of x I have substituted 2. This 2. Then 8 minus 2 2s are 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 2x, instead of x I have substituted minus 1. minus into minus plus, 2 into 1 is 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So what should be plotted here? 0, 8, 1, 6, then 2, 4, here minus 1, 10. So just plot it and see, it will not join at all. Both the things, it will not join. If you plot this, it will be separate. If you plot this in the same page, the things will go separately. So there won't be any solution at all. There won't be any solution in this graph. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Graph plotting the points, I have taught you how to plot. You have to plot. I have done many sums of plotting the things. Next, fourth question. Same second Roman letter, fourth question. X minus y is equal to 0 is the question. Y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation given in the same question. So we need some values, right? We need some values. There is no values given here. So I can take x is equal to 0 here. If minus y comes to this side, becomes plus y. So x is equal to y. X equal to y. Whatever x value is there, same y value. That means that says that same y value. So I can assume minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Whatever value I am assuming, here x equal to y. Whatever x value, it's same as y, it says that. So if I take x equal to minus 2 means y also minus 2. If I take x equal to minus 1, y becomes minus 1. If I take x equal to 0, y also 0. If I take x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Same way x equal to 2 means y is equal to 2. So here what I am going to plot the points, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. So here we see the second equation, y plus 3 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0 plus 3, if it goes this side, it becomes minus 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. So I have written tabular column, y is equal to minus 3. Y should be minus 3 always. Whatever x value can be anything, but y should be minus 3. So I can take, I usually take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Same value I took. That's all. Here what we are going to plot the points, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 3, 2, minus 3. This is the plot the points. After that, what you will get as a solution? After plotting the points, join this equation separately, join this equation separately, and then connectivity. You should extend the line and see what is the solution you are getting. What is the x value and what is the y value you will get. You will get the x value as minus 3 and y value as minus 3. Here x will be here minus 3. Then y minus 3 will come here. Suppose connectivity point. If you extend 2 points, the connectivity you will meet this point. So minus 3, minus 3 is the solution. This by how to do this one I have told you in the last session. If you are not aware of it, go and visit the last video session. I hope you all understood this one. This is the first tabular column. This is the second tabular column part, and solution is minus 3, minus 3. Next, fifth equation. Fifth equation is y is equal to 2x. 1 minute. Yes, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Here y is equal to 2x plus, directly they have given the equation as y is equal to 2x plus 1. Here no need to simplify anything. So I have assumed minus 2, 0, 1 and 2 values. So y is 2x plus 1. I am going to substitute instead of x minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1. That means minus 3 is the answer. Same way here I am going to substitute 0. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Here 2 into x is 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 2 into 2 I am going to substitute. 4 plus 1, that becomes 5. So what I am going to plot here? Minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5. So next equation, see the next equation, y plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So we need to change like this, y is equal to, so y is equal to, here already 0 is there, so leave that 0. Here I can take this plus 3x to that side, it becomes minus 3x. Minus 6, if it goes to that side, it becomes plus 6. Therefore, I can write here as y is equal to 6 minus 3x. Positive value I have took in the front. Y is equal to 6 minus 3x. So, I have assumed 4 values, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So, 6 minus 3x. That means instead of x, I am going to substitute the values, respective value, minus 1. Then 6 minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 6 minus 3 into 0. 3 zeros are 0. So answer is 6. Here 6 minus 3 instead of x 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. Same way 6 minus 3 into 2. 6 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Here what I am going to plot is minus 1 comma 9, 0 comma 6, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 0. This is how you have to plot. After plotting that you will get a solution as plot and you will get a solution as 1 comma 3. Positive 1 will come here, right? Positive 3 will be here somewhere. This point you will get a meeting point. After plotting this equation, draw one line, join the points. After plotting this, join the points. Then the connectivity point you will get as 1 comma 3. This is x value 1, then y value as 3. This is the 5th question. Next, 6th question. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 3. Here they have given us x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 3. So here specifically x equal to minus 3, there is no equation at all. So x is minus 3. So I can add as minus 3 minus 3. We cannot change the x value. Minus 3 only. Then y means y we can have any number of value. Here and all we took, right? X value as minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Likewise, here they specifically gave that x equal to minus 3. Y can be any value. So I am going to take as minus 2, 1, 0, 1 like that. You can choose any other value and you can join it. Same way here y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, compulsory 3. But x can be any value. So I can write 3, 3, 3 here. X can be same way minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So how to plot the points? For this equation, minus 3 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma 1, minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 1. For this equation, minus 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 1 comma 3. So what will be the solution? Can anybody guess? What will be the solution? In this question itself they gave x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 3. So after plotting the points, you join and see, you will get the answer as x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 3. Solution is minus 3 comma 3. This is our solution. Clear? So now our graph exercise got over. We have completed practical geometry also. We have completed graph also. Kindly check it out whether you have written all the chapters or not. We have completed 5 chapters. First chapter is set language. Second chapter is real numbers. Third chapter is algebra. Fourth one is theoretical geometry. In that we have left one exercise alone that will be covered during annual exam time, during third term examination. Next we have completed coordinate geometry, that is 5th chapter. In the next video session we will see about 6th chapter trigonometry. Till 6th chapter you will be having for your half-yearly exam. Please go through all the graph, finish the graph and submit it to me through WhatsApp. I will correct and send it to you, your number, personal number. Please finish up every sum. This is the first sum we saw today, x by 2 with the fraction sum. Yes, tabular column part. Then finally you should write a solution. Next sum, x minus y is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 3. Then with that plotting the points, solution is minus 3 comma minus 3. Then fifth sum, y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 6 minus 3x. Then finally we saw x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 3. After plotting the points, each equation plotted separately, then do the connectivity and you will get a solution. That is the homework for you today. Thank you children. We'll see you in the next video session.